What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video by the Hot Wheels Road Beast and Sanjin on front of my right over there. So what is going on? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. I mean, honestly speaking, my sister will kill me, or moreover will have to kill me for that. But guess what? Let's go ahead and make a channel update. So first of all, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. This video is kind of special because otherwise, trying to clean my room, and as you can see, all of my rides are over here. Some of them are still in the package on the other side. Also, I'm having vacation, so I got time now to make some videos. Moreover, to have a maybe some editing will be really fun, isn't it, computer? Wait. Ta-da! Oh, we got the twin wheel actually. It's one of the best cars. But anyways, so let's go ahead now and make some a tour, a small ride actually. Hey, starting from here, we're actually okay. So starting from here, we're actually having this small, the track's taking a small small bathroom. Yeah, this is good actually. Well, I'm trying to put them until the next day because they really had some dust, and I need to, and the dust need to get removed. So yeah, we'll move on actually over here. So as you can see, ooh, look how big is that room. With enough space. Look at the dust over there. Check it out. So I really don't like it. Oh, and how messy here is. So I don't really like dust when it comes to dust. I've removed all my rides. Also, here are some cars that they weren't opened. No, I got this one since last year. Moreover, let's go ahead now and talk about some updates for the Lego pieces. Maybe on a separate video for the other channel, because I had to make now 2 videos. Whatever, man. So I'm going to make a carpet because I'm sick actually to play with this ground. Each time I crush my ride directly into the floor, it just makes me feel uncomfortable. So whatever, man. Going to get a carpet so that we're going to play on our own and make videos and so on. So how do you find actually this small upgrade? Yeah, call it upgrade, not upgrade, but whatever. Well, I hope you're actually, well, let me flip the camera. What an upgrade here in the Hot Wheels Road Beast. Well, guess what? We still have a lot of work to do because these ladies and gentlemen over there needs to get, to get cleaned. Yeah, the canteen also does. I really hate this dust. I don't know, but it's just getting faster. By 3 days or 1 week, I would say 1 week. It's again the same thing. So hopefully we won't get any problem in the future. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, please, as well as leave a big thumbs up to our video. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on a brand new one. And guess what? I'll have a challenge for you. So get ready. Oh, this isn't. Okay, let's remove this. Hey. Take care.